Hey guys, I am here with Miss Linda, Miss Lydia.
Hi.
Just finished Miss Linda's hardwood flooring. Actually, she was referred by Lydia, and Lydia, you found us on the internet, right?
Yes, I did.
So someone's gonna, after this video, they're gonna see the before and after videos. But so if somebody finds this on the internet, what would you tell them?
That you had 5 stars.
Brian is the best. He is wonderful. He knows his jobs. He did my house, and beautiful.
Yeah, we did
I'm
we did all of them eventually.
All the wood, yes, yes.
Now, just because they're drinking this, they're not making it up. Ladies, thank you so much.
And Lilia referred me to Brian, and I didn't even have to interview anyone else. I didn't have to get any other estimates. His prices were good. He gave me a discount because I was referred by Lilia.
Yep.
And I'm so happy. My hardwood floors from my house in 1953 that it was built is beautiful.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.